Tonight, what should be done to protect neighborhoods from flooding? Well, it's a loaded question after all of our storms here the past few years. But Jefferson County Drainage District 6 leaders want to hear from you. Good evening. They'll be holding a meeting ahead of a regional drainage study. It's this Tuesday at the Beaumont Event Centre.
Yeah, leaders want to know if your neighborhood is flooded during tropical storms or hurricanes, or if your neighborhood floods in just 30 minutes after a heavy rain. 12 News reporter Ebony Coleman is live here at 10. And Ebony, folks at DD6 may get an earful.
Sorry, Jordan and Brenda, I talked to 3 homeowners in Beaumont who say water from this drainage district behind me, it went inside their homes during Hurricane Harvey and Imelda, and they want something done before the next big storm.
When Harvey came, my house got 9 inches, but everyone in the neighborhood got up to 6 foot, and it was bad.
In a matter of 3 years, we were flooded twice, which was just unbelievable. And so we're always, a little nervous when it starts to rain.
Words of concern from just a handful of homeowners who live in central Beaumont inside Jefferson County Drainage District 6. DD6 leaders want to find out what other areas have experienced bad flooding. That's why they are launching a regional drainage study.
We're analyzing the drainage patterns of a large area, which includes the Pine Island Biowatershed, Taylor's Biowatershed, and the Hildebrandt Biowatershed.
At next week's meeting, residents can talk to engineers and see what's already been done to improve drainage. But DD6 leaders, they want feedback.
We really want their input on this. We don't want to just kind of do this in our own little engineer box because, we don't have all these experiences.
Naomi Carter plans to attend the meeting, especially after spending 40 years in her home with no flooding. Her luck ran out during Harvey and again during Imelda. She lost 5 cars and had 4 feet of standing water inside her home.
We couldn't see the pool. As a matter of fact, the table was covered. We couldn't see the table.
Just down the road, Carol Dixon says she plans to attend as well.
And I noticed that now, even on the street, the water settles right in front of my home. So that's kind of scary.
Before I can raise concerns or, any issues, I would not like to see what all they actually did. And then from there, I would be able to ask questions.
Canat says once they compile all the feedback from this meeting, they plan to spend $8.5 million improving drainage in areas located in this regional study. I'm live in Beaumont. Ebony Coleman, 12 News.
Ebony, thank you so much. So here's the info about next Tuesday's meeting. It's 5:30 at the Beaumont Event Center downtown. Leaders say everyone is encouraged to come and to speak up.